Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'll be doing covers, and today I'm doing a cover called Blackbird. Yeah. So why you wanna fly, Blackbird? You ain't ever gonna fly. Why you wanna fly, Blackbird? You ain't ever gonna fly. No place big enough for holding all the tears you're gonna cry. 'Cause your mama's name was lonely, and your daddy's name was pain. And they called you little sorrow, 'cause you'd never love again. You ain't got no one to hold you. You ain't got no one to care. But if you don't understand it, they ain't gonna love you anyway. So why you wanna fly, Blackbird? You ain't ever gonna fly. Why you wanna fly, Blackbird? You ain't ever gonna fly.